Hello everyone. It's a little bit different here. As you can see in the background, there is a massive TELUS sign behind me and a few other buildings behind me that you might recognize. So hey guys, how is it going today? My name is Jack. I'm sorry if you can hear some background noise in the back, like some of the fans and vents going on above me here and the traffic in the background. I have not filmed in downtown Toronto in a very, very long time. I just like the background. I think it looks really cool. But yeah, I'm here to bring you a new video today, and in today's video we are here to do this charcoal powder toothpaste review. Like, we're just here to try it out and see what it's like here, because I've heard that this actually does whiten up your teeth quite significantly. So I've just been like really curious to see how it works, mainly. And it is a Canadian made product. This is a long overdue video, by the way. I ordered this stuff like before I went on my vacation to LA, so it's a long overdue video. As you can see, it comes sealed, so huge. They give you a toothbrush, which I think is made out of complete wood. Yeah, it's made out of wood, and it's a completely sustainable toothbrush made completely out of wood. So I'm really curious to see how this works. It says, mix a half a teaspoon of powder with a few drops of water to make a paste. Well, now I need a freaking cup. Where did she take the spoons? She's got plenty of supplies in here. I just need a spoon. That's all I need. God. Where's the toothbrush? Here it is. Oh, goodness me. So I got it on a plate here. Powder, as you can see. Daily. I don't know about daily, but it looks like paint. Like, literally, it looks like I'm making paint. Can you see that? I hope so. Oh god, it tastes disgusting. Oh god, my whole mouth is black. Oh my god. Oh, my whole mouth is black. I wonder if this is actually even gonna make a difference. I'm really curious. Alright, got up closer. This is gross. It feels like I'm just eating paint. Like, oh my god. Wow. Okay. Let me get back to you. I'm gonna go rinse this off my face, out of my mouth, and let me see how much whiter my teeth are. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just realized I'm kind of a knob and I forgot to actually put the after final result in this video for the toothpaste. And I just realized now, so I'm going to show you what the final looks like. Do they look a lot whiter? I did brush them right after, so let me know in the comments down below what you think. Did they go a lot whiter, or do they still look the same, or do they look a lot whiter? I think they look a tad bit whiter, but you know, I need your comments and feedback. So let me know down in the comments down below, and we'll return to the rest of the videos. So let's go back to the original clips. Oh, wow. Do you guys actually notice a difference though? Do you think my teeth actually look whiter? I think they do. Shocking! It tastes like paint, so be prepared for the awful taste. Yeah, it works. So all naturals, I will link it down below if you guys are interested. I got it off Amazon. I think it was like $20. Do I recommend using it every single day? Probably not, because I've heard that, I think this is charcoal powder. I heard it's not good for your enamel. It's not good for your enamel, so I wouldn't recommend using it every single day. Maybe like every other week or something like that, like every other Friday or whatnot, just to kind of clean up your teeth. So if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you are new, and let me know if you like this backdrop. And I'll be premiering this video. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of premieres. I've heard some feedback on premieres, basically what you guys think of them, and you guys are liking them so far. So I'm really happy that you guys are liking the premieres, because I'm really liking how it's all been set up. I really like the engagement of premieres. I think it's really good. You guys probably can't take me seriously because there's a bunch of black crap in my teeth. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off here. So if you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you are new, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.